What is up, everybody? Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this episode of the P-47N. This is a sweet model, and I'm just super excited to share this with you. So anyways, the box history of this model is actually pretty short. So let's get into it. So other than a lot of my other Monogram Revell models, they actually started out as Monogram models and then became Revell models after that. But this one actually started out as a Pro Modeler kit. Now, in 1997, it started out as this kit, and yeah, I haven't ever built an actual Pro Modeler kit, but supposedly they actually came with etch parts and stuff like that. Now this kit didn't, so I don't know what happened or whatever, but I guess we just got the sprue and maybe nothing else with it. But the decal version of this kit was the Drinkin' Sister and the Sack Happy. Now, these are kind of inappropriate if you're not of age, but pretty awesome P-47s. It must not have done too well, because that same year they actually sent a box to Revell and they reboxed it, and also they put in new decals. That was for the Mad Russian and Too Big and Too Heavy. Another couple inappropriate P-47s, but that's all right. It's fine. It's history, right? It's history. So anyways, the next year later, in 1998 through 99, Hasegawa and Monogram teamed up again with a new box, and this box art is actually really sweet with new decals, and honestly, I really love it when they do this. They did a Tokyo Raid Squadron type of thing, so they had two different boxes through 98 and 99, and also two different decal versions those same years with Hasegawa and Monogram. And what they did was they put two P-47s of the same squadron in to their build. So you got both P-47s from the same squadron. Super awesome. I'd love to build like a whole squadron of Mustangs one day or something like that. So the fact that they did this was just really... And during that same year in 99, Revell teamed up with Australia Models and did a couple Hispanic versions of the P-47 for some of their kits down in the South. So that's pretty cool too, that they teamed up again with a Spanish company to spread the model-loving community around the world. And 12 years later, in 2012, they finally came out with another kit based off of this kit from Revell in their blue box that they used to do, which is Revell Germany, with Ready Ruth and the Mad Russian, as well as another decal version. So in 2012, they came out with this kit the same year as the last one, but this one, I mean, honestly, it's a great kit, but it features Little Meaty's meat chopper and another weird P-47 that flew in the 50s, I think, in the Korean War. But anyways, super great detailed kit. If you wanted to get this, you can find it on eBay, I'm sure. And also, there's a lot of details in this kit, so stay tuned for the build video. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'm going to show you these things and give you the history behind the pilots of these awesome P-47s. Thanks again for watching. Let's get back to building.